Ever wonder how a single PPC campaign could generate my client $15,851 in sales just with a $1,800 spend and without a single minute spent on optimizations? Well, that's what happened when I used my hidden gold approach, a method that lets Amazon algorithm do the hard work for you while you do absolutely nothing. And you will still be able to rack up passive, ultra profitable sales like my clients do week after week, like what happened to this campaign. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up this extremely lazy and proven strategy with real results and step-by-step instructions so you can use it today. By the way, my name is Alan. I have sold over $5 million on Amazon, and I have built a team of 7- and 8-figure sellers, and together we have helped over 250 people build and grow their own Amazon businesses. And this little PPC trick that I am about to show you, it's one of the first things we implemented for our clients because it just works so well. All right, so let me show you how this campaign is set up. So number one, let's go into our campaign manager and create a new sponsored product campaign. Let's click continue here. Then we are going to name our ad group name Hidden Gold. All right. Then in our products, I want you guys to put in every single product of yours in there because it will work for any type of product. It doesn't matter if it's low ticket or high tickets, it just works. Then this targeting, we'll be setting it to automatic targeting, and then the default bid, we'll be setting it into 0.12. It is a extremely low bid, and that's where the magic is. Now for the campaign bidding strategy, we wanted to be putting it as a fixed bid, so then we will have full control on the bids and its bidding strategy. Now for the campaign name, again, we just wanted to put it as Hidden Gold. All right, now for the daily budget, let's put it at $30. Additional changes, increased bids for high traffic dates. Let's put it aside. Let's click this off. And then we would just hit launch campaign and voila, that's it. It only took me like 1 minute to set up. And that's it. Let me show you what this campaign has done for another client of ours. Take a look at the spend. This client spent 0.330 cents and gotten back $321.55 in sales with the ACOS of 0.09%. This is like absolutely insane. I promise you probably have never seen this low of ACOS ever before. Now I've run this on high ticket products, low ticket products, new launches, and this will just constantly post in extra profitable sales that I wouldn't have gotten otherwise. So let me explain what's actually happening behind the scene. Now Amazon auto algorithm is testing ultra cheap placements because we are setting the bid so low. So you are basically bidding for the crumbs, the placements that no one else is fighting over. That's what makes the bid so low, but you're also gonna get a low traffic as well. But that is why your ACOS stays insanely low. And when you hit something, boom, you strike gold. Now, you wouldn't be getting a lot of high volume and high traffic, but the efficiency is just off the charts. So think of it as like a passive mining, right? Once you set it up, Amazon finds a hidden keyword that converts, and basically you just collect the gold that it finds for you. And now that you know how to set up this crazy simple and effective PPC campaign, but this PPC strategy might not work as well if you don't optimize your page efficiently. So click onto this video where I show you exactly how to do that.